39 members of the Pathway International Church, the controversial church of the then pastor Dr. Kevin Simit, were actually fined for breaches of the Disaster Risk Management Act in court on Wednesday. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 39 members of the Pathways International Kingdom Restoration Ministries in Montego Bay, St. James, were slapped with a collective fine of over 1.1 million when they pleaded guilty to breaches of the Disaster Risk Management Act in court on Wednesday. The 39 defendants were each fined $30,000 or 20 days imprisonment at hard labor. The members were among 41 people arrested by the police who clamped down on activities at the church in the Montego Bay area on Sunday, October 17, after an alarm was raised that two church members were killed during what is believed to be a ritual service. Two other members were also reportedly hurt during the ordeal, and a church member who allegedly attacked the police was shot and killed. The Pathway International Kingdom Restoration Ministries and its former leader, Dr. Kevin Simit, have been making headlines since the ordeal at the church 2 Sundays ago. On Monday, while being transported from St. James to Kingston to be formally charged in connection with what transpired at the church, Simit died in a car crash that also claimed the life of a constable, Orlando Irons. Two other police officers were also injured in the crash. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.